here. Maybe the other one. Yep, this is it.
Hi, Miles. Got your text. Working on accessing Roxxon security now.
You never cease to amaze, my man.
I do my best. Give me a sec to set up.
Jared, you there? I'm trying to fix the generator. Stupid piece of junk.
Here, take 5.
I'm in. Roxxon security, you're mine.
Another locked door. I power it, you open it?
Works for me, buddy. Got it. I'm opening the door. Hey, I found something while I was poking around security. This is the lab where they noticed people were getting sick around Newform.
Did anyone ever say, hey, maybe we should rethink this whole new form thing?
Yeah. Rick Mason.
Oh. Good thing we're shutting this place down.
And not a moment too soon.
What's in here? Looks like security? Or the dumb stuff they've confiscated.
Not a lot of places to hide here.
Good thing I have ammo.
All the reactors are in. Just stop
Gotta be quicker than that.
I think I've got something.
Detain him!
He's firing on us!
Actually, you take this!
Head to the main floor!
You all need to get out of here! The reactor's not safe!
Putting him down!
Now that you've drained a couple reactors, how are you holding up?
A little sore, and I got a real bad case of dry mouth. But everything else feels fine so far.
Just let me know if you start sweating Newform or turning red. Reactors waiting on the main floor.
Lista?
Put Spider-Man down! Use everything you've got! Take him out! Use lethal force!
You guys take return?
Get him back down here! Pulling the trigger! He's using webs!
Like that!
Stop resisting!
That's everybody. Time to drain the reactor. That will never not suck.
Another lab taken down. Slip out through the office and you're home free.
Please don't come to life, creepy Roxxon armor. Could see if there's some Roxxon dirt in that computer before I head out.
Hey, Roxxon. There is a rumor going around that new form makes our people sick.
Thanks for your help in there. Fighting Roxxon's no joke.
I don't know. The Underground made it their favorite pastime.
Heh, true.
Seriously though, what kind of a friend would I be if I didn't help shut down the occasional toxic fuel reactor? Great news. Roxxon's prototype labs in Manhattan are kaput, and so are their reactors.